In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Slack workspace. For many of us, Slack is an essential communication tool for the workplace, but sometimes you may need to depart from a workspace, whether you're leaving a job, changing teams, or just reducing notifications. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can exit smoothly. First, we'll need to head over to Slack. So open up your preferred web browser and go to Slack's website. Make sure you're logged in to the correct workspace you're planning to leave. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so, and you can simply use your Google account credentials if that's how you usually access Slack. Once you're on Slack, click on the Google option you see. This step essentially refers to using your Google account to proceed. It's a common way many users log into Slack, ensuring a streamlined sign-in process while maintaining security. After clicking on Google, select the Google account linked to the Slack workspace. If you're using multiple accounts, ensure you pick the account associated with the workspace you wish to leave. This selection process keeps things organized, especially if you belong to multiple Slack workspaces using different accounts. Next, you'll see a prompt to Continue. Go ahead and click on this, and it will direct you to the Slack interface. At this point, you're in the right place to start making your way out of the workspace. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the Slack interface where your profile picture or avatar is located. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. From this menu, choose Profile. This action will take you to your personal dashboard where details specific to your Slack identity in that workspace are displayed. On the right side, there's a panel. Look for the three dots. That's your next click. The three dots typically suggest additional settings or options, allowing you to access more detailed configurations. After clicking the three dots, you'll see several settings. Select Account Settings from the menu. This option leads you to the critical area where you can manage or make changes to your Slack account, including potentially leaving the workspace. Finally, look for the Deactivate Account button. Clicking this will initiate the process to leave the workspace. Importantly, you'll need to enter your password here to confirm your decision. This step is crucial as it provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that you genuinely want to deactivate your account and exit the workspace. And there you have it, the steps to successfully leave a Slack workspace. Following these instructions will help you manage your workspace presence effectively. If at any point you reconsider, you can always return to your account settings and adjust your preferences accordingly.